Welcome to another MFE Quick Tip. The rainy season is back, and while we need the rain, it can have a negative effect on the equipment we use day in and day out, including carabiners. As we climb throughout the day, the carabiners that we use get bombarded with grit and sap, which usually falls out on its own or wears off easily. But add water to the mixture, and it can really start to hinder the performance of the gate's locking mechanism. Here are some quick tips on how to inspect the carabiner and to make sure that the gate is locking and functioning properly. MFE uses the Petzl ball locking triple action carabiners as their life support carabiners. Inspect the overall condition of the carabiner, looking for any cracks, dings, or deformities. Make sure that the spine's straight. Inspect the nose of the carabiner and that nothing has been deformed. Inspect the gate, that it moves freely. Now check the locking mechanism and that it will close without snapping. Be sure that the ball is protruding out when it's in the locked position. If at any time the ball gets stuck and doesn't protrude back out, it will need to be cleaned or replaced. You can attempt to clean the gate and add some dry graphite to get the locking mechanism to function properly again. But in old worn carabiners, this might just be a band-aid and it might be time for a replacement carabiner. Remember, always inspect your equipment before, during, and after.